It might be a bit of a moral gray area to use one of the few socially promoted bastions of free information to hack. Or it might be perfectly in line with the ideals of the librarians. Who knows? I don't ask. The point is, I'm not doing this from home. Destroying Mrs. Dempsey. She did that on her own. I'm just exploiting the vulnerability her carnal excess has created. You know where the weakest link in any security system is? It's you, with your shitty passwords, and how you share every part of your life online. From geotagging everything you do,